War never changes. But the scenery certainly does. Today, we're taking our favorite German Shepherd from the Commonwealth and giving him a proper British glow-up dog. Fun fact for the lore fans, in the Fallout, London mod, you don't use a Pip-Boy. It's been replaced by the Attaboy, a 1960s British take on wasteland tech. This is Dogmeat, the London Mutt. I wanted to capture that gritty Fallout, London atmosphere. The iconic phone booths, the looming silhouette of Big Ben, and of course, a blimp in the sky. Watching the laser etch these fine details into the wood is always the best part. To keep things authentic, I'm using my own electronic Geiger counter today. It's a bit of a gag for the video, but it definitely sets the mood for a London stroll. I've been working on these reimagined character projects lately, and there's something special about seeing a companion like Dogmeat looking so dapper. From the bowler hat to the bow tie, he's ready for a stroll through the ruins of Westminster. I've dubbed this one the London Mutt. Seeing Dogmeat trade his collar for a waistcoat is exactly the kind of reimagined vibe I love for these coaster projects. This coaster turned out exactly how I imagined. A little bit of history, a little bit of gaming lore, and a whole lot of charred wood. If you're a fan of the Fallout mods or just love a good pupper in a suit, let me know what you think.